Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to ginseng chicken herbal soup. Hope you like it. This soup tastes so good. The medicinal materials include ginseng, Panax nota ginseng, ginger slices, wolfberry red dates, Aphiophagon japonicus, lotus seeds, Polygoneta moderatum, and a pack of seasonings added by the herbal medicine store. You can easily buy prepackaged herbs at herbal medicine stores, which is very convenient. Chicken cubes wash and set aside. Pour all the ingredients into the soup pot except for the wolfberry soup, which should be added after it is cooked. Select soup mode, cook for 30 minutes. It's easy and quick to have soup ready with Instant Pot. Add salt and seasoning to taste. Add goji berries and cook for a minute. Ginseng chicken soup is done. It smells so good. In fact, I personally think that this soup does not need any seasoning. It tastes good in its original sweet and non-greasy flavor. Ginseng chicken soup is a traditional medicinal food with the following effects. It has the function of replenishing qi and blood, and is used to treat women's menstrual disorders, qi and blood deficiency, and other diseases. Ginseng contains ginsenosides, which can improve brain function and memory. Ginseng chicken soup contains a large amount of protein, ginseng polysaccharides, and other nutrients, which can enhance the body's immunity, strengthen the body's resistance to bacteria and viruses, and reduce the chance of illness. In modern China, the clinical effects and pharmacological actions of ginseng were summarized as the theory of 7 effects of ginseng, tonifying qi and rescuing from collapse, benefiting blood and restoring pulse, nourishing the heart and calming the mind, promoting fluid production and quenching thirst, nourishing the lungs and relieving asthma, strengthening the spleen and stopping diarrhea, and expelling toxins and healing sores. Who should not eat ginseng? Ginseng contains hormones that can cause precocious puberty. Especially children under 14 years old should avoid it to avoid precocious puberty. Newborns and infants should not eat it. In addition, studies have shown that patients with colds, pharyngitis, conjunctivitis, acute gastroenteritis, diarrhea, fever, etc., as well as breastfeeding women should not eat ginseng. And because ginseng can excite the brain's nerve center, it is not suitable for people with insomnia to eat it. Panax nota ginseng is Panax nota ginseng, a Chinese herbal medicine that has the effect of promoting blood circulation and stopping bleeding. It is mainly suitable for patients with cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, anemia, various bleeding disorders, and patients with weak constitution and low immunity. People with wine heat cold should not take Panax Nota ginseng powder because Panax Nota ginseng powder is warm in nature. If people with wine heat cold eat Panax Nota ginseng powder, it will aggravate the heat sensation. If people with wine cold eat Panax Nota ginseng powder, they can take it. Women should not consume Panax Nota ginseng powder during menstruation. Panax Nota ginseng powder has the effect of promoting blood circulation and removing blood stasis, and is known as the first holy medicine. If taken during menstruation, it is easy to cause excessive bleeding. However, if it is blood stasis type menstrual disorder, you can use the effect of Panax Nota ginseng powder to regulate menstruation. Women should not consume Panax Nota ginseng powder during pregnancy. Wolfberries are difficult to digest and are rich in dietary fiber, which may cause diarrhea. People with poor gastrointestinal conditions should eat less. People with fever should not eat it, since wolfberry is warm in nature. Eating it when you have a fever may aggravate the fever. Diabetic patients should pay attention to the amount they consume. Lycium barbarum contains high amounts of carbohydrates, so diabetic patients should pay attention to the amount they consume. Eating too much may cause blood sugar to rise too quickly. Effects of Ophiopagan japonicus, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Research shows that the active ingredients in Ophiopagan japonicus have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects which can help protect cell health and slow down aging. Contraindications and side effects of Ophiopagan japonicus. Use with caution for those with a weak spleen and stomach. Ophiopagan japonicus is cool in nature and may aggravate the symptoms of people with a weak spleen and stomach or who are prone to diarrhea. Polygonatum odoratum is a type of tonic belonging to the category of yin tonic. It is used for heat diseases that damage body fluids, dry throat and thirst, and qi deficiency and poor appetite. The main function of this medicine is to treat some lung and stomach yin damage, dryness and heat, cough, dry throat, thirst, internal heat, and thirst. In clinical applications, the contraindications of polygonatum odoratum are patients with particularly strong yin qi, such as phlegm and dampness and chest stagnation, and those with spleen deficiency and loose stools. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah! I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.